Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, CS8601 Mobile Computing. Today we are going to discuss the topic applications of mobile computing. In previous session, we are discussing the introduction of mobile computing, what is the mobile computing technology, and what are the advantages of computing. Now, the applications of mobile computing, we are different variety of applications are there. The first application is a very important. First one is a vehicle application. In today's car already compares some, but tomorrow cars will compares many wireless communication system and mobility aware applications like a transmission of news, road conditions, weather, and also etc. There is a music. For personal communication, a universal mobile telecommunication system UMTS phone must be available for voice and data connectivity with 384 kilobits per second. For remote areas, the satellite communication can be used. For example, the current position of car is determined by the global position system, that is a GPS device. At the emergency situation, local ADAC network used for the fast exchange of information to help each other. In case of accident, there will be fast services provided in the accident place. This technology already available in the cars. In the future, the car will also inform other cars about the accident via the ADAC network to help them slow down in the time, even before a driver can recognize an accident. Now we can see the typical communication application of road traffic. In this picture, we are using the different technology, that is a GSM and CDMA 2000 or Terra and wireless LAN, Bluetooth, or any other in the vehicle applications. The networks with a fixed infrastructure like a cell phone, that is a cellular phones, GSM and UMTS will be interconnected with a trunked radio system, that is a TETRA, and also the wireless LAN, WLAN. And then the satellite communication link can also be used. The network between the cars and inside the each car will more likely work in a HADAC fashion. So HADAC network is one of the wireless technology. It is a non-infrastructure communication system. And also the wireless network inside a car can made up of personal digital assistant, that is a PDA, laptops or mobile phones. Example, it connected with each other using the Bluetooth technology. So we can say the local ADAC network with vehicle close by to prevent the accident, guidance systems and redundancy. Now we can move to the second application of mobile computing, emergencies. In yearly transmission of patient data to the hospital and current status, first diagnosis. The replacement of fixed infrastructure in case of earthquake, collisions, fire, etc. In the wireless networks are the only means of communication in the case of natural disasters such as earthquake. So these are the different applications oriented in the mobile computing of emergency systems. And the third applications is a business. A traveling salesman today need instant access to the company's database to ensure that the file on your laptop reflect the current situations, to enabling the company to keep track of all activities of their traveling employment employees, to keep database consistent, etc. Now we can see the figure what may happen with the employees try to communicate of base. The mobile and wireless services always the best connections between the traveling time and also the building and also the roaming of different cellular network areas. In at the home, the laptop connected via wireless or local area network or the distance scale to the internet. Leaving the home required the handover to another technology. In mobile communication should always offers a good connectivity as possible to the internet, the company's intranet or telephone network. Now, the replacement of wired network, the wireless network can also be used to replace the wired network. It is often impossible to wire remote sensors for weather, the forecast, earthquake directions, and or to provide environmental informations. While the wireless connections, for example, the satellite can help in the situations and wireless network infrequently inflexible and adaptation. Many computer pair use wireless LAN as a replacement for cabling. The wireless network or computer sends or information display in historical building where excess cabling may decide the valuable walls or floors. In the infotainment and more, the wireless network can provide up to date information at any approximate locations. Another growing field of the wireless network applications lies in entertainment and games to enable. For example, the ADAC gaming network has soon people to meet play together. And then the location dependent services. Many research effect in mobile computing, the wireless network try to hide the fact that the network access has been changed. It is important for an application to know something about the location or the user might need location information for further activities. There is several services that might depends on the actual location can distinguish. So number one, flow on services. The flow on services include the automatic call forwarding technology and the transmission of the actual workplace to the current location. And then the information services, push and pull services. That is, for push is an example of current special offers in the supermarkets, and pull services is where is the block forest cherry cake, and the supporting services it catches and intermediate the result, the state of information, etc. These services to follow the mobile device through the fixed network system. And also the finally the privacy, who should gain again knowledge about the location of mobile and wireless devices. Even though many mobile and wireless devices are available, their many more in the future. There is no precise classifications of such devices by size, shape, weight, or computing the power. Now we are using the different type of sensors and embedded controllers and pages. So these are the different applications module in the applications of mobile computing system. Now the mobile phone, we are choosing the mobile phones. The traditionally mobile phone only have a simple block and a white text display and cloud send and receive voice or short messages. Today, the mobile phones mitigate more and more towards the PDA, that is a personal digital assistance. The mobile phone will full color graphics display, touch screen and internet browser are yearly available. In personal digital assistant, it typically accompany as a user on the upper simple version of the office software. The typical input device is a pen with built-in the characteristics recognition, translating the handwriting to into the characteristics. And then the pocket computer and the notebook and the laptop is one of the latest trending of mobile computing technology. So today session we are completely discussed the application of mobile computing system. Thank you for watching this video.